To other news now, local government minister Desmond McKenzie is this evening defending the country's building codes. His comments come in the aftermath of the partial collapse of a 12-story building in Miami, Florida this week. Shamala Pullen has this primetime news follow-up.
Derek Foster is a Jamaican firefighter in Miami, Florida. He was among frontline workers who rescued scores of people trapped in a 12-story residential building in Surfside this week. At least 4 people have been confirmed dead, with over 150 still missing.
It's been a tough time, but the support from the community has been huge. People have donated food, people want to help.
This has renewed concerns about Jamaica's building codes in light of several ongoing construction projects across the country. But local government minister Desmond McKenzie is insisting Jamaica has one of the best building codes in the world.
Our buildings would have stand the test of time, although we are in an earthquake zone and we have seen quality. So it means that our contractors, our builders, our architects, and those who design our buildings have taken special care in how we construct our buildings. The building code stipulates how we build, where we build.
He says before approval, all building applications go through a vigorous vetting process.
We have seen aspects of the building code being executed by some of the local authorities. We see in St. Mary where buildings went up without the requisite approval, not meeting the specific guidelines of the local authorities, and the municipality initiate actions which went to the courts, and the courts ruled in favor of the municipality.
Shamala Pullen, TVJ News.